Hi, this is Ryan Blair at Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a video to YouTube. So assuming that you already have your YouTube video recorded and on your phone, what you are first going to want to do is make sure that you have Google Drive installed on your phone. So I already have it, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Drive. You need to make sure that you're logged in to your Halo email account, which I am. Next, you're going to hit this plus down here, and we're going to upload photos and videos. We'll do recent, and I've got a test one right here, so I'm just going to click the desired video, hit upload. So now the video is processing, and it should start uploading. May take a while. Now it says all pending uploads have been completed. Now you can see that the video is in my Google Drive. This one went really quick because it's a small video. So now that you've got it in your Drive, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Gmail. Okay, you're going to make sure that you are logged into the same email address that you used on your Google Drive, which is my Ryan.Blair at Halo Inc. From here, we're going to click on the Google Apps, which are these little dots right here, and you should see Drive. Go ahead and click the Drive, and you should see the video that we just uploaded, which is going to be this one here. And then right click and download it. You should see it pops up in your downloads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Show in Finder. And now there is the file for the video that we just uploaded. So next, what we're going to do is we are going to go over to YouTube. Again, we're going to make sure that we are logged into our Halo Inc. Email address, which everybody should have permissions to the channel. So once you're logged into your Halo Inc. email address, we're going to come down here to Switch Account. You're going to click on that, and you should see this Halo Inc. channel. Go ahead and select that one, and this is the dashboard for the Halo Inc. channel. From here, what we're going to do is we are going to go up to Create, Upload Videos, and it should pop up this screen. From here, you can either click Select and find your file, or you can drag and drop. I prefer the drag and drop method. So I'm going to come over here, click and drag, drop it in right there. So now it will be uploading. You would choose a title, so we're just going to call this Test. You would want to title the video in a manner that it will be easy for yourself and other employees to find. As far as the description, I kind of like to reiterate what is going on in the video, and then I'd like to take it a step further. And I'm grabbing this from another one of our videos, and I like to put in the website, the phone number, and the address. So we'll come back over to our upload. Here's our description, which is test, because there's really nothing to say. We'll just paste this in there, and it's just nice and clean. Once the video is processed, you'll be able to select a thumbnail. Go ahead and pick whichever one looks best, or if you have a little bit of design knowledge, you can go ahead and create your own thumbnail. I find it's easiest just to pick one that self-populates. Playlist, you'd want to drop this into the corresponding playlist or create a new one. Since this is a test, it doesn't really matter which one. So this video will be going into uploading videos and photos. When I upload it, you can choose yes, it's made for kids, show more tags. Down here, there's a couple of basic ones I like to do, and I will create a Word doc and I will put it on the farm, which has all these tags already in it. So Halo Inc. You can do Phoenix, Arizona, and you do a comma afterwards, and that will add these tags. Not necessarily important, but I like to go in and put in a bunch. That way if anyone's searching for Halo Inc. or Phoenix print shops, anything like that, these pop up. I also select the language as English, United States. Video location, I also like to put in Halo Inc. and it'll give you the Broadway road address. Grab that one. Everything else looks good. Category education. Then you would click next. You could skip over all this one here, hit next one more time. Next, once you get to visibility, you're going to do public. And what's going to happen is as soon as you hit publish, this is going live and you'll be able to find it. If you want to find the link to your video, that will be right here. And all you have to do is publish and your video will be live. And that is how you upload a video to YouTube in its current state. Once they upload the YouTube Studio app, this is going to make this a lot easier. It's a bit of over processing at the moment, but this is how it's done. Thanks.